Talent Tuesday. Where shall I begin? Let's see. First, here's a shelf for my farm, my indoor farm and garden. I built it myself. Cool, right? I needed more space for my plants. So usually I have an arrangement of indoor succulents and an orchid who's in here. He's very temperamental, bringing him back from the dead. Here is my Easter cactus, another one over here. He just lost his flowers. They bloomed on Easter and Christmas this year, which is pretty phenomenal. Up here is our Mr. African Violet, and then another little succulent right there. So now on to the farm. So the farm is outside, but before the seeds are ready to go outside, we germinate and grow them so that they're strong enough to go outside. Right here is a little baby sunflower, and here's his brother right here, another baby sunflower. There should be some sprouts coming up in this pot any day now. Down here are more baby sunflowers. There's some sprouting down here, so I'm gonna move that to the sun later today. The sunny spot, I mean. Let's see who else is sprouting. This is another pot of mammoth sunflowers. I like to grow a lot of mammoth sunflowers. Here's what they look like, that's the seeds. Over here, this is something I never grew before. These are yellow plum tomatoes. They just started sprouting. And over here are snap peas. They're going kind of crazy right now, and I didn't have a planter big enough for them. So I drilled some holes in the bottom of this plastic thingamajig, and now they have a planter, and soon they'll be strong enough to go outside with their friends. Now there are some pots outside that have what are called bird spikes added to them. They're just like a humane way to keep birds out. The large box is a box of salad greens. The smaller box is some more sunflower seeds, and then the last pot over there is some beets. And if you look really closely, let's see. There's one little tulip next to Mr. Gnome. So that's Miss Salemi's farm.